Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 339 or Acts of Lasciviousness with the consent of the offended party. Under Article 339, Acts of Lasciviousness with the consent of the offended party is committed by any other acts of lasciviousness committed by the same persons and the same circumstances as those provided in Articles 337 and Article 338. May tatlong elements upang maging liable sa crime na ito. First, offender commits acts of lasciviousness or lewdness. May pambabastos na ginawa yung offender. Second, acts are committed upon a minor, 16 and over but under 18 years of age, or a sister or descendant regardless of her reputation or age. Sila po sana yung victim sa qualified seduction and simple seduction. Third, offender accomplishes the acts by abuse of authority, confidence, relationship, or deceit. Balikan niyo po yung discussion natin sa qualified and simple seduction. Palitan niyo lang yung element ng sexual intercourse ng acts of lasciviousness or lewdness. Dito sa Article 339, walang sexual intercourse o walang pagtatalik, pero binastos o hinala yung victim. Again, parehas din po ito sa qualified seduction at simple seduction na may consent yung victim. Pumayag yung victim na bastusin siya o halayin siya. Sino ang offender dito? Parehas po, or kung sino yung offenders sa qualified seduction at simple seduction, sila din po ang offenders dito. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.